Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to enable and disable dark mode in ChatGPT. Let's dive right in. Open the ChatGPT application on your device, and of course, check if you are logged into your account. When the ChatGPT application opens on the homepage, you will see two lines in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on them. A new page will open where you will go down to your profile at the bottom of the screen and click on it. By clicking on your profile, you will open the settings page, and in the drop-down menu, you will look for the color scheme option and click on it. The application will open a small window where you will be offered to choose between the dark or light side. And you can also select the system option where the application will automatically select the system color you have on your device. This is the only way you can enable or disable the exact mode in the ChatGPT application. After selecting the profile for the ChatGPT application, all you have to do is click OK. And there it is. Enabling and disabling dark mode in ChatGPT is quick and easy. Whether you prefer dark mode for its sleek look or light mode for a brighter interface, now you know how to switch between them with ease. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.